Hey guys, what's up? So just a quick update. First of all, I don't know if you noticed, but I took George off the wall. I was officially just tired of staring at him. However, I bought this like weird shelf thing from Target and it really is not functional. So that probably isn't gonna stay there, but at this moment in time, this thing is replacing George. I don't know if you care. On other things to update, I want to talk a little bit about some new ventures that I'm doing and also the cookbook. So let's go for the cookbook first. The cookbook was supposed to be, or is maybe going to be released tomorrow. I've had a few hiccups. Crossing my fingers that it's still going to be tomorrow. It's not for certain. I will update you again tomorrow and let you know either way what's going on with it and stuff like that. But keep in mind that it is still coming out. It just might, there is a possibility it could be postponed. So just keep that in mind. I am super excited for it to be released, despite the small hiccups, but it's gonna be okay. Gonna be okay. That's what I keep telling myself. I have anxiety. So of course, you know, my mind wants to just think it's the end of the world. But on another note, I wanted to talk about something else that I'm doing. I'm doing online cooking classes. You know, I feel like I've been thinking about doing cooking classes for so long. I did one in-person one not too long ago that I also broadcasted live on my Patreon. But I want to kind of test out moving it entirely to online. And I'm doing this, I use Eventbrite to I think that's, yeah, to create this event. And so anyone who purchases an online cooking class, you'll get a link to the scheduled online unlisted, it'll be on YouTube, but it's unlisted, so you don't have the link unless you sign up. It's $10. So I know I'm an asshole and I'm charging you $10 for cooking lessons, but they do generally cost upwards to like 30 to beyond, depending, like in real life. So I'm kind of just thinking maybe 10 for online, you know, kind of makes up for that not in person kind of thing. Anyways, it's gonna be formatted how I'm gonna send out the recipe that I'm cooking beforehand, so you can like cook along with me if you want to, or if you just want to watch, that's cool too, or you can ask questions at the same time and I can answer. But it'll all be done online, and if you can't make it at the scheduled time, don't worry, the video will remain up, so you can always go back and watch it if you missed it if you want to. So that's just kind of like my new thing. I will put down the link below to the event so you can sign up if you want to. That would be, I don't know, I think it'd be awesome. I would love to teach more cooking. I'm really excited about my cookbook because I think that, you know, the main goal of helping people be able to cook, like just the most simple ingredients and that sort of thing, that's like my goal behind the book. So I want to keep doing that even past the release of that and just kind of keep it going. So yeah, that's my announcement. I don't have a lot going on. I haven't made a video in a second. It's been like a week. Oh my gosh, I'm sure you were dying to hear from me. Anyways, I think this week, I gotta be honest, I've definitely let a lot of things get to me that probably shouldn't. So I'm working my way out of getting out of that little bit of a slump. But we're almost there. It's almost the weekend. So hopefully this is how I currently feel, like how my dog is right now. Let me just see if I can show you. And that's kind of how I wanted to be this whole week. Just sticking my head in a pile of blanket. Yeah, that's right. You. If you didn't notice, I also need to make my bed. I just washed my sheets. Do not judge me. That is why it is not made. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I appreciate you watching this. I appreciate your patience, and hopefully maybe appreciate your patience continuing past tomorrow with the cookbook if you're someone who is interested in buying that. Anyways, that is it. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time.